Alright, boys and girls, this is your science overview video of the week, and we are on the week of March 8th through the 11th. And so again, this is a 4-day week, so let's open up Monday's folder. This week we are going to review and then take the Unit 5 test. So on Monday you have a study guide right here that you need to print, and then right here is the video, so you're going to follow along as I walk through and talk about the different properties of matter and even magnetism and changes in the states of matter. On Tuesday, you are going to use your notes. You can even use the pages in the textbook to help you complete this Unit 5 test on properties of matter. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, let's see if it'll go back to those folders for me. Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to go back and revisit chemical and physical changes. We were introduced to chemical and physical changes on our science day, but on Wednesday you have 2 interactive notebook pages. So they are both right here, and you can see in the video that's the first one, this is the second one. So in these videos, in the first one, we're going to go through and talk about the difference between a physical change and a chemical change. And then in the second video, we're going to talk about some examples of chemical changes and what makes these a chemical change. You can see here that it says if you run out of time, you can watch this second video on Thursday if you need to. Really what it is, guys, the pages on Thursday that you're going to be reading, I took the information from those workbook pages and summarized it to include here on this notebook page. So if you feel like you're kind of running out of time on Wednesday, save that second video to watch on Thursday. Thursday, you're going to be reading pages 37 and 38. Again, that's where the information in that second video came from, and that's in your pink workbook. Then you are going to complete these 5 multiple choice questions on physical and chemical change. That's your week in science. Let me know if you have any questions.